Munini wa kamishona wa Ruhonge mwena wa gicua-ini Nicholas Kinoti augite njira ino njeru igukorwo ikinyihanyihia maundu maria makoretwo magikuruhanio na gwitikira indo iria itakinyaniirie ikiro kuingira guku bururi-ini.
Within our command center, first and foremost, I say this trade facilitation. Number 2, intervention of the risks, and the broader aspect of that is to support the broader turnaround of clearance, of course, which will have a bigger multiplier effect to the economy.
Kinoti niongereire kuga kwina Macini 12 guothe bururi-ini iria igukorwo igiteithiriria gutwarithia na mbere wira uyu kuona ire thurimaga gikiro kia indo hatari kuhingura murigo wi wothe.
We mobilize or we get all the images transmitted on real-time basis. We do the analysis on real-time basis. That analysis is what will inform the action to be taken.
Kuringana na Kinoti, ngari o yothe ciumaga gicukiro-ini kia meri ni nginyagia igerere macini-ini iyo niguo guthurimwo kuria maumirira marirehaga ikinya ria kiwatho riria riritacukagio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Nyambura.